they see us as a poor Nigerians, we are poor. Bill Gates already carry that mentality to say, okay, I am coming to this country. I checked also who are those people actually behind USAID. Bill Gates is number 1 on that list. That is how they think. That's how bad it has gotten. When Bill Gates matter starts, he came to the country and he was going close to people that makes the policy. So he went there shocking them with some dollars. GMO seeds, like for example, the teller maize you're talking about. Teller maize now, if the teller maize is planted here, you have to go back to come and collect another one to plant. So if you go bring our main original seeds, come plant for that same ground, it go grow. I was at the House of Assembly with the reps members. So we're talking about the GMO seed. I was invited to come and explain to them. So after that period, even the House members, the reps members was like, I don't know how this thing. Like for example, is it not better to eat the GMO seed and die than us not to have food to eat? Like this video is out, it's there on internet. But you see, the Minister of Agriculture he's someone that he has been bought over.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.
Naron B.
My name is Ann J-Way, but then if you still call me Oriako Foreign. And yes, we welcome on a proper to Tori We Matter. And today matter we want to talk about, no matter we be say the worry mind. No matter we be say, it don't dare our country for some time, for about, then just they change the years, they fluctuate, but it don't dare for some time. But I feel like say a lot of people know they talk about them, but then it gets Wetin make them come back again, we make mind come they worry people. And the matter we want to talk about, R&B, you're familiar with the GMO plants, the GMO crop, the GMO food. This not something where be say, people don't they wonder say, this kind doings wey be say go good for person body because it concern food. Something go make a human being they very strong, they alive at least.
Now wetin they put inside body.
Now wetin you they put inside body. Now for people who know, make una know say the introduction of the genetically modified organisms alias GMOs inside Nigeria, it started for 2001 with the establishment of the National Biotechnology Development Agency. Now as it take concern this one, Nigeria also signed the Cartagena Protocol for on top of biosafety for 2000, and this one it go help them regulate GMOs. Now end for there. Nigeria as a country now first approved the GMO food crop where be the pest resistant cowpea for 2019 and the open cultivation and commercial release of teller maize for 2024.
Now this one break the camel back when Nigeria's come.
I tell you the truth though. Now end for there. According to Premium Times, even though say people they complain with all the talk we be say they waka everywhere over the adoption of this GMO inside Nigeria, federal government for January 2024 can approve the commercial release of 4 teller maize varieties. Now when they talk about maize, when they talk about cowpea, when they talk about cotton and soya bean. And this particular move where say Nigeria make, it can place Nigeria second for the list of African countries where it be say don't adopt and commercialize these tea maize varieties after South Africa. You dey see matter now. Now can end for there. And this report, all of them are based on reports where they published in February by the United States Department of Agriculture and Global Agricultural Information Network. GMO.
Yes, and now may not just be like say they not get reason why they do it.
Yeah,
there are some motivation behind why Nigeria become the second country for Africa to adopt GMO. The whole motivation behind GMO introduction, more here and food security. Say GMO. They seen as potential solution to address food security challenges on the face and also to reduce the reliance on top importation. According to Wetin they talk based on the motivation, they say it will also help reduce pesticide use. Now, one of the reasons why we as a country not if we export majority of our food items, say because we they use different chemicals, they pursue pests and this, and it's not good for health. So because of that, they don't want green we export and come out the country. So they can say with the use of GMO, say
it go
help reduce the use of pesticide. Say they come with pesticide resistance, and if it potentially reduce the need for chemical pesticide, when it go minimize the environmental impact, you get. Plus plenty other arrangement where the state say be their motivation. But in all of this, Wetin be the true nature of GMO seed for those when they consumer.
Now, based on this question where you asked, now make we decide say this particular matter only us no go fit talk about we go bring a sabi person wey be say don dey talk about GMO for some time, and we feel like say him dey for the right position to talk about them. And we know they talk about any other person than Mr. Michael Obinna Nwabufo, aka Mike Premium. Where be saying a person who don't put hand for something things we concern policy advocacy, in be media strategies, in be youth advocate, and a Kajat confirm talent manager. Mr. Michael, welcome to the studio.
No, if you call him Mr. Michael, be like say you know a rich house. No, Mike Premium.
Mike Premium.
The one and only Premium Michael. Welcome, my brother. Hi, how the family? I bet help us dress near the mic because a very important topic. Now, one reason today. First of all, I want to know, as a concerned citizen, when you be, what will be your motivation behind this fight against GMO seed for your own side?
Okay, of course, Nigeria is our country. We don't have any other country, and if we don't stand to fight for our country, we go just see him, it go spoil for our hand. Sometimes government don't really know some road to take when it comes to, serving us better. You get so because when this GMO food matter starts, of course, I've known GMO seeds to be dangerous to the body, has the capacity to even change your DNA in a very long time. You get so there's a lot that people don't know about the GMO seeds. They just look and say now
easy way out.
Yeah,
but there's a lot behind them.
There is a lot behind. It's an agenda. It's an agenda to control humans, control us. Yes, control us. Anybody that controls your food control you.
Yes.
You get so,
and not also forget what is the back control actually.
Yes. There are people they feel say you're not supposed to breathe the same air where did they breathe. You get that is how they think. That's how bad it has gotten. So when Bill Gates matter start, he came to the country and he was I realized something. He was going close to people that makes the policy, the people that create tells us what to do as Nigerians. So he went there shocking them with some dollars. Allegedly. But of course, but come on, there's no way these people won't collect money from you. You get, because they see us as poor Nigerians. We are poor. You get, so you get already carry that mentality. Say, okay, I am coming to this country
to act as a savior for them.
Exactly. You understand? Now the GMO seeds, like for example, the telomerase you're talking about. Telomerase now, if the telomerase is planted here, you have to go back to come and collect another one to plant.
Because you can't plant another crop there.
That place you plant that telomerase, you don't destroy that soil. You get, so if you go bring our main original seeds, come plant for that same ground, go grow, go get harvest as you want. I have some people that actually have planted telomerase and other GMO seeds. When they came back to plant the original seed, they didn't even get 30% of what they planted. That is how bad it is.
So to get this conversation clear right now, I say this GMO seed, the moment it touch your soil, he expects you to continue to plant only GMO seed for that soil. You can't plant another seed, another crop where the original. It must be GMO seed. That's to say, they create dependency on these people when they produce the GMO seed, which I want to believe in Nigeria, not the producer. So we need to go out and buy it to always bring it to our country.
Exactly.
So that means it's
patented. Like they have when they give you the seed, you get it. There's already a mark on it that this is only you are going to use it once. And if you use it once, plant them, just 3 months, come back, say you have to go and meet Bill Gates. I have to
buy another seed.
Yes, you get. The reason why I always call his name because he's the mastermind.
Behind
if I say GMO seed, come like now some people West.
But you did sure say na Bill Gates na in they behind this move.
Of course now.
Because I know say one of the things we don't spark conversations about this GMO, not just this video we they recently released by the musician Emma Lai Wasabi, they promote some kind things.
Not even that one.
I feel like now that one I come make the conversation come spark back again. Yeah.
I was at the House of Assembly with the reps members. We were talking about the GMO seed. I was invited to come and explain to them. So after that period, even the house members, the reps members was like, I don't know how these things, I don't know this is how it is, or why are we in the dark? They are actually in the dark.
So how are they in the dark when it be say they don't already sign them? I don't know if you understand.
Because they don't understand what it means.
They don't understand, and then you approve something.
So to a layman, how this thing they always, it just be like this radio won't do. To a layman, if we come ahead now and say, oh, GMO seed go eradicate hunger, go do this, guess what? They go embrace and without asking, okay, how you want to really eradicate hunger? How this thing they come bad? So I just see those are House of Rep member and the Senate people are that kind of people. They know they look deep into.
They go deep into.
Yes, so now what should I just explain to them? And not also forget, we get a problem for Africa. We see a white man as a savior, not even bigot. So anytime a white man tell you say go jump, you feel say what he tell you they right. Talk less of bigot when be like a worship human god. They tell you say this is what you should do. But I want to ask my premium. Now after you follow our House of Rep member, give them a breakdown. Has there been any change towards this whole arrangement since then?
There is not a major change, but it's a gradual process. They are also scared for themselves because there's one of those farmers they brought to come and defend GMO seed. He says something very striking.
Some of the farmers already using the GMO seeds.
Yes. He said something, so it's very striking. He said, is it not better for us to see food, eat, and die than not to see food at all? Like, for example, is it not better to eat the GMO seed and die than us not to have food to eat? Like, this video is out. It's there on internet. He said
so
it with
during the whole sitting, now this farmer talk this one. That's the farmer when already they use the GMO seed. I'm telling you,
the rep member, they shouted, like, are you for real? Is this what you people are saying? The Minister of Agriculture has a major role to play in this. I've been pushing pressure towards him, and he's not responding.
The way we're supposed to respond.
Yes, I know a lot of ministers that I speak to, but you see, the Minister of Agriculture he's someone that he has been bought over.
Allegedly.
Yes, this is a matter of my family, my friends, and Nigeria as a whole. I'm talking about food security here, so I'm not even using allegedly. If I can be arrested for this conversation, I don't mind, so that he can be able to prove.
That's the person of Senator Abubakar Kayari, Minister of Agriculture.
So you they try to talk, say some persons where they behind these GMO seeds. It be like saying they take advantage of the insecurity what would they get for some of our food producing states. Where they talk about most of the northern states, say that then they produce food for inside our country here. You think say these people where they behind the GMO seeds, then they won't take advantage of them. Because say to assess food now from that side, it may be difficult.
Okay, now this is the thing. I was listening to Minister of Defense when he was talking about the insecurity. He himself said it that the insecurity in Nigeria is foreign sponsored. He said it. One of the interview with Al Jazeera, I watched it. You get, and then
which minister talked this one?
The Minister of Defense. Now, I had to go back to do my homework, and I started adding one or two together. Who are which organization sponsors brings aid to Nigeria? It's USAID. It's our major help when it comes to helping the IDPs, and then so I checked also who are those people actually behind USAID. Bill Gates is number 1 on that list. Now, what is happening in Benue and Plateau, majorly our food basket?
Food basket, yes.
They are actually going after the farmers, the people that have large lands, planting GMO, planting original seeds. So why are they killing these people? We are connecting one or two together.
This is a big allegation they talk so.
See, Bill Gates should come and tell us reason why he's bringing GMO seeds, and then our farmers are dying, and then the same farmers are being given GMO seeds to plant, and they are eliminating our original seed. I need him to let me understand. Like, it's my country. No, they talk about West. We're talking about Nigeria. Now, me and you get them. Today, now, I don't know what you eat today.
I don't swallow. I don't eat rice.
You don't chop swallow. You bros, Alpha.
I don't shop bread, sha.
Bread,
yeah.
fine.
Yeah.
Now let me use swallow as an example. We dey talk about cassava. Do you know there is GMO cassava?
In Nigeria already.
Yeah, for you, bro. Why they do like this? There is GMO cassava.
The one we know about now the maize, cowpea, soya.
My brother,
bean.
there are things that you have not.
But
seen.
these are not labeled though, because you know
Yes,
what they talk
now one of
outside
the
of
problem.
Nigeria. I never really did privilege to travel go that country, but I did see them for news and movies whereby every item go dey labeled. Or tell us, okay, this one are GMO,
this one are natural.
This one are natural. Natural tends to be very expensive. Why the GMO like half of the price most time. We don't get that kind of arrangement, quality arrangement, or rather specification on top the GMO seed for Nigeria already.
Some like avocado, banana.
Yeah.
You never chop GMO seed.
I want to know how I
See,
mean want to
like
know.
wetin in dey talk now.
Yeah.
Wetin in dey talk now be say this GMO, because of the introduction of this GMO, they give consumers the choice, the right to make choice.
We
Do you
never know the
understand?
difference
Because
between
if you
the two.
enter a mall and you no go see the label, clearly states.
Yeah.
Clearly states say this one are GMO, this one are natural.
There are some.
So we no go really know.
Oh no, there are some where they don't label
Yes,
already.
for-
Oh,
no,
now
they-
we know
they
your-
label
now we know
am,
your
abi na
range.
we know they read.
The avocado
Yeah.
GMO.
It
That
dey-
one get label.
top
Banana
the body.
own, it get label. Like if you open them, you go know say this one. Now the idea, their own idea be say as that one a GMO, so you no go quick spoil. If you dey for your share,
Share for a very
They
long
get long
time.
shelf life.
yeah, exactly. You get. But come on, man. How was this done?
Okay, something happened last 2 weeks.
Yeah.
I go get banana from mall.
Yeah.
And the moment I carry the banana come apartment, I see say, take 2 days, the banana start to, spoil.
Yeah.
But then I can't dey wonder, say how this banana take, because obviously not be that day night they put am for mall. How this banana take day more? Because why it be say when I go buy banana from mall, I carry and come back as na that time it go come spoil.
They get issue.
I don't know, because of this conversation, I don't come know. I
Whether
don't chop
na
GMO.
Now, I want to make we.
Watermelon.
Yeah.
See, mention it. See, there are some things if you see, you self, you go just go buy land now. As I dey follow you talk now, make una just go buy land.
They plant your own.
Make you just dey chop what you see.
Okay,
because
talking about, sorry to catch
Yeah.
you. Talking about that land own, you don't think say you go get to a point where we say government now go one day regulate who go get farm and who no go get farm.
Just as they did one for
They
US
regulate
already.
even private farms or private gardens.
Exactly. But now the thing is, it has not gotten to that yet.
Yes.
You get, and we have lands in the villages. There are a lot of lands in my village. I don't really make maybe they plant. Like I want to have. I'm now interested in agriculture since I don't pursue.
So that means if you control your own food instead of other man to control your food.
Exactly.
Now, I just want to get a clear picture, like a layman language, because just as the House of Rep member, they should see they don't know saying that this one be a lot of, in fact, millions of Nigeria also not really get an idea. Now, what you go say be the disadvantage of GMO seed to humans when they consume am?
Okay, now the disadvantage is plenty.
Yeah.
It has you tendency to get cancer easily.
It dey high
Very high.
because genetically modified seed.
Reduced
Yeah.
lifespan.
Okay.
Gene modification.
Modification.
Yeah, see, let me tell you something. See, that one is even the worst of it all. Like, if I can eat something that can modify my gene in with time,
With time.
the DNA that God created and put it there, everybody has a unique DNA that
Yeah.
God put in them. It's a signature that, oh, this is my son, this is how I was created. Then somebody, because you feel that you are powerful, you're a billionaire in dollars, you want to alter what God has created. Do you understand?
Okay.
So now this one is a major allegation you get. I'm still waiting to be invited again by the House of Reps, because I was invited because of the video I made previously.
Yeah.
I actually scattered a lot of GMO seeds I saw that they are selling, and I see
And you present her to them.
my
Okay.
brother. They know there's a lot of evidences brought on that day. Even the Minister of Agriculture was there. We spoke to him. We told him that he doesn't know what he's saying. Now, the major move we want to make now is go to Benue. Those people that are planting the GMO seeds,
Okay.
we are going to educate them. Of course, they are not doing because they are doing that of fear.
maybe also out of ignorance too. They don't really know.
And this particular GMO conversation, the whole thing about GMO, it sparks some other persons. Why some people they complain, say this one, if you worry your health, if you worry how your body go operate, some other person thinks it is innovative.
Say they eat productivity.
So they innovative.
So most time,
instead of me to go farm, go plant something, suffer, put a pesticide, put all those things. Once I just plant the GMO crop, it go just grow. You don't need stress. I don't know if you understand. Some people think say it is innovative.
Okay, make I ask you, it is innovative.
I go no.
Okay, fine. Make I explain to you why you don't go no. Now, just like. For example, now, do you know that GMO seed that you eat is not different from this rubber? Like, this thing was created in the lab.
Like those lab meat one they say that they do too.
Exactly. Yeah. They just examine, for example, they can examine the cassava now. They'll just take one or two from the cassava and now bring some other ingredients so that the cassava no go quick spoil, according to them. Or for the thing to multiply big. For example, there are some chickens that if you see say they don't inject them,
you look big.
You become big.
You look very big.
This is why I don't eat what's it called, frozen food.
Frozen food.
I kill. I just tell them they go kill am for me.
So already. So I want just get this straight right now, because they also get Wetin they always trigger me anytime I hear GMO seed. Because one of the things when they push and I say, oh, pesticide not go eat them, because for a farmer right now, farmer expect to get like 100%, harvest 100% of what he plant actually. But because of pests and the use of chemical and the rest, then maybe probably harvest like below 50.
And most recently, this insecurity matter now.
Yes, harvest like 50%. But with this GMO seed right now, the farmer might goes, okay, that's a pest not go near Abi. That means if he harvest 100%, that means more profit for me. So first of all, you're not going to blame all these farmers, right? But then again, Wetin they always baffle me now, say, how you might be want to consume Wetin pest not go fit chop?
Exactly.
Now Wetin they always trigger me.
Because
if pests they fear to chop that thing.
So how
because
you
of
want to
Wetin
chop
be?
them?
How it take dey okay? And I think that there we as Nigerians need to really look at as these people. Is this for our good really? Been just for the apart from control, and just for the better profit maximization arrangement you get?
Because according to the way you take talk now, it's a House of Reps. They know really they enlightened properly.
No, and average Nigerian not they enlightened enough.
And then how do you put something in place where would already start to the use? Some people don't they eat them. Me and you no go.
We not even know.
Because if you they buy, some of us when they buy things a lot from mall, you understand? We not go know what we don't buy. We not go know what we don't chop because they labeled properly.
But it get way when we take fear identify all these GMOs apart from the label.
Exactly. Now there they go.
Because it gets some corn where I'll just buy for all this month. Once I put your walu gwe. You're the boss what I put for my mouth. Now GMO be that I mean a natural corn.
See, make I tell you, see that corn.
Corn. Maize now, which is maize.
So how do we identify it properly?
What is it? Sweet corn, the one they
have. Yeah, that's sweet corn.
Sweet corn for can.
If you see them for rice, so they sell outside. No chop that rice.
Almost all the rice so they outside get them.
No, I don't. They no born you well. In short, as a matter of fact, the mall I'm going to now with my team, I'm going to announce with a very big speaker. I will make them understand that if
what
you have let the Nigerian people know what you are selling. If I realize that there is a GMO seed, I know them. I know them past anything.
But you don't approach these malls them one-on-one at least.
They are aware saying that GMOs.
Then they are aware.
But I feel say majority of our problem are the ignorance to this one arrangement. Most people don't even know what it be. You get.
By the time you are controversial about it, they will understand. For
get
example, now if I go a
which
band
I
of
think
supermarket,
they push for right now.
If I go a band of supermarket now with big speaker with my team and security, shout say if you they sell GMO seed here, make sure say they label.
You go trigger them to go cross check.
Do you understand? Then spread it so people go understand. Oh, so
see,
exactly.
And I think we also need more orientation on top this one arrangement for us to really feel identify them, because it don't be like say the way they pass and you don't go fighting doing a reversal right now it go hard with the men when don't
doing a reversal no go hard. You understand? When you identify something where they detrimental to the health of your citizens, to your people, at least you go come back to the drawing board and then you look at. Now, not be so they do them. You go come back to the drawing board, you go look at, and then you go re-strategize. Because right now, some of the rep members, them talk say they know they are aware.
But after you talk to them, one believe say they don't dare enlighten to this.
You know, say this thing, you go follow and bomber to bomber.
My brother, out of 100%, they just know 15% of what is going on. See, the document behind GMO seed, the document, you alone no go fill it and finish in 1 month. So they made it so complicated that for you to be able to understand, you don't really.
So how they take do corner bypass?
They use that formula of say to hide something for a black man, put her
inside book. Truly.
When I don't finish the work, you just leave it like that.
So for you,
there's no transparency.
So for you right now, Wetin be the headway? What you plan to do to throw more light on this? And because yes, you talk say there's House of Rep will soon invite you back again on top this whole sitting. Yeah. So Wetin be the way forward? Okay,
so the way forward now, if you talk, the government no go to listen because they don't understand. You get so there are some kind of actions where you go take. Okay. Shake the table. Okay. Shake the table exactly. Like what I told you, going to Benue, uproot all the ones where they don't plant first.
But you know, go just enter person farm, start to the uproot with you don't plant.
We are going to pay whatever it is the person spent to plant those seeds and buy it. We'll go buy them. So we are going to uproot it to give them warning. And explain to them, it's more like a sensitization program. Okay. Explain to them why you don't have to plant these seeds and what it will do to us that is coming to come and buy or eat from whatever it is we have planted.
And what it will also do to the land too.
Bless you. And then we are going to the malls and supermarkets. Those people that is already there. You don't buy it.
But the Western world, some of them don't embrace this GMO seed, apart from few European countries though.
They don't embrace
where the sickness most for this world. Which side you they hear cancer of this, cancer of that?
USA.
Because some of this English of sicknesses.
USA and the rest.
The highest one they get no be headache.
You know, say they don't embrace them, but they properly labeled.
I think that
they properly labeled. But Mike Premium, at a point, you don't approach the National Orientation Agency.
They are aware now.
Because this particular thing where they talk say you and your team won't go do now something where we say when national
if I want you to do self now what it then supposed to do right now,
the awareness on television everywhere, you know, door-to-door campaign and all those things.
See, let me tell you something.
So they're not gonna be like say they take matters into your hand, or you know how some matters go they
exactly
twist.
Make it twist. I think make it twist. That's what we are getting to now. That's what we are getting to now. If to say this matter see the early stage, they try part. They see there are some document that has been signed
already.
Money don't exchange hands. So now survival of the fittest. I beg before they corrupt all the seed, make I buy the one way I go feed day for my village.
They plant. Use.
You understand? I see they look for those original seed. See, imagine.
So hold on. So I want to understand. So this GMO seed, you not feel replant them again?
No.
Once you plant them once, the product of the you know if you keep and can't replant them again.
It's not possible. That is
so
not
the issue. You keep going
to
buy new seed.
You go come the dependent.
The issue is not that you know if you replant them again like the seed. The issue is that land where you go plant them on top is already gone. 70% gone. Only GMO food and that land go recognize.
Accept.
So we as a people, what thing you feel like say we fit do? How we fit take join hand, contribute to this GMO sensitization, talk about the advantages and the disadvantages.
Now, Nigerians are sleeping on this matter. You get they don't understand what is going on. I don't blame
exactly.
them.
You're not gonna blame them.
Yeah.
I don't blame them. So one of the sensitization program we are going to be carrying out is get your own seeds to plant.
Let everybody become farmer.
My brother, that is it.
But then say everybody no go fit be farmer now.
If you know one be farmer, they get people go farm for you with 500,000, 300,000 naira. You'll be a farmer.
But then some persons cannot afford it.
Cannot afford it.
Some people no go fit afford them now. Abina.
See, the truth is that you cannot save the world. Millions go still
die.
Buy don't sugarcoat it. Millions go die. You understand? We see how people that are coming up, new generation. You understand? So we are trying to save the world, but we might not save the world entirely. So make we save what we feel save.
Okay.
Those way use.
So what you want advice people now say to ready to be a farmer, even though say not be commercial farmer, but
for your
farmer, like what our forefathers they do at that particular those years, whereby everybody get farm for back of years. You want to go cook okra, you go back
your garden
or onions, tomatoes, pepper, and the rest. So that's way to go right now.
That's way
what
to
you
go.
advise?
Because there's you get place we no fit touch again unless you want fight government. I mean, I don't want to fight government.
Yeah, you can't fight government.
I'm just trying
actually
to help government
to understand.
But government, they follow you, they understand this thing.
No, if they are not understanding, they know what they say. May they invite them again.
Exactly. By going to Abuja recent again now, I will meet with Sheyi. I go play him the tape. We have a project we want to do with him. But I go first play him the tape of this one because he's the closest to the president.
Yes, as first son.
As first son. If you call him Baba now, Papa see you.
See what they go on.
You understand? And if I have access to Sheyi, I think that's a major thing. Sheyi can actually call any minister and tell him that
what's going on.
You get.
But Sheyi, they're in the position to call any minister and
make
such decisions.
Sheyi can actually call. He can put. At least show them this is what I noticed, this is what I realized. Can you look into this? I can call a minister and
that
say,
is go suggest.
Yes, it's a suggestion. That's what I'm saying. I can call any minister and say, come and see you. What do you think about this? Do you understand? So that's what I'm trying to say. Again, that's the best way.
Okay.
Awareness and and label it so that go back
properly. Yeah,
and
because
like banana.
I go do.
Anyway, I won't lie. I appreciate the work when you do for social media based on the bringing light to things like this, because I'm not sure say major, maybe hundreds of Nigerians when they are aware of the disadvantage of this seed, and as a result of your enlightenment for social media, I hope you will carry on. More legal ways though, we're not gonna make them fight you. I don't know if you get my point.
And then we hope say you go get more to the common man. You understand? Say don't be everybody there for social media. As you don't talk for social media, you good as you want go do them like saying a house to house, door to door, kind of like campaign and
especially
orientation.
to the farmers.
But then again, it's important.
That is money calling, because see, sensation is not by mouth. See that door to door, people I go see to them. And there are some NGOs that will not support you in that because they know say they get together.
Because
they want to control you.
Now where allegations on, they say some of this GMO crop, GMO plant, GMO seeds, they revolve around one person, and when they talk about Bill Gates. Now, say most of these NGOs
vaccine, Bill Gates.
Most of these NGOs, they funded.
Go vaccine because these are vaccine.
Most of these NGOs, they funded by the same name. So obviously,
indirectly or directly,
directly or indirectly or cyber directly.
Anyway, one thing I can take out from all of this, and with the little knowledge we also get on top GMO seed, and even the people for the Western world, they know they in support of GMO. They know they like even consumer, especially
even
poor.
Get some people
say very poor.
Yeah, from the Western world where they try to educate people online.
Oh, now. UK now. It's not in
yeah, even in Russia, they know if
they
dare not carry it,
put it on make it go carry across Russia airport.
I think what all of us need to carry, and I say we need to be our own farmer. You get try
we need to be our own farmer. We need to be our own farmer. R&B, my
no land.
Everybody no go fit be farmer.
But try be. Our forefathers try and work for them.
Be friend to a farmer.
A farmer, so that maybe they fit buy from her.
R&B, traditional man.
Yeah. Anyway, thank you, my primo. I appreciate say you stop by just to throw more light on her, and we hope say this work when they carry the waka, God will give you more strength to carry her. They go, because it clearly shows say now the common man, or in fact an average citizen that they fight for right now.
Exactly.
You get where not to get a better understanding of what be the implications of this whole GMO seed and the embracement when Nigeria already the embracer. Maybe all of us need to the open wide, follow you, learn for you more. Thank you very much, my brother. I appreciate so much.
And yes, we appreciate you say you show face for inside the studio, but try as you do this one, make you carry government along. You understand? Because after God now,
because just the same way we not to know now, so government not see to know. They not see to know.
Just make sure say you carry them along.
We go shake government. They go understand. For this guy to take this kind of risk, make we even see what he did here.
Sometimes they know the reason like that too.
No, I get people.
But that will not be wahala.
No problem,
anyway, sabi people. Now here we go round up for Tori Matter today. The very next hour, 6 to 7, na office palace.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.